Welcome to a Parisian Christmas dream, where timeless elegance is wrapped in festive magic. Behind these wrought iron balconies and soft golden lights lies a home that transforms design into a celebration. Tonight, we step inside a residence that merges French sophistication with warm holiday spirit. Every room whispers a story of luxury, comfort, and curated beauty. Prepare to enter an apartment where Christmas isn't just decorated, it's truly designed.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
Our journey begins on a quiet, snow-dusted Parisian street. The building rises in classic Haussmann grandeur, cream-colored stone, tall windows framed by ornate molding, and balconies draped in evergreen garlands. Golden lights spill from within, promising warmth from the winter chill. A majestic black double door stands centered, crowned with a bright red wreath, an unmistakable invitation. This facade sets the tone, elegance first, festivity second, or perhaps here, they are one and the same. Where does this door lead? Inside, the heart of the home unfolds, a living room designed for both conversation and wonder. A towering Christmas tree fills the corner, adorned in gold and crimson. Velvet emerald seating curves around a marble fireplace flickering with gentle flames. Classic French craftsmanship plays with modern high-contrast light, shadow dancing on crystal and polished wood. Large windows frame Paris itself as a living painting. Every detail curated, yet never overwhelming. Where does elegance rest when night falls? The master bedroom blends romance with refined comfort. A king bed dressed in plush red textiles invites luxurious rest. Above, a subtle garland twinkles against the carved headboard. Frosted windows reveal the Eiffel Tower glowing in the distance, as if part of the decor. Candlelight creates a soft gold halo around fine marble and silk. This is not just a room, it's a winter retreat crafted for serenity and style. Where do flavors join the celebration? Here, French culinary artistry meets festive charm. Black and white marble stretches beneath brass accents, reflecting warm lighting like holiday jewels. Fresh pastries, oranges pierced with clove, and a pot of rich hot cocoa signal a season of indulgence. Small evergreens peek between polished glassware, while wreaths add a subtle cheer to refined cabinetry. Practicality and luxury blend seamlessly, every meal becomes a ritual. A hidden level elevates the experience. Overlooking the grandeur below, the mezzanine is a quiet escape. A wrought iron railing coils like art, wrapped gently in festive ribbon. A built-in library curves along the wall, dotted with winter florals and candles. A velvet reading chair offers a personal theater to admire the living room's chandelier as it glows like a cascade of stars. Elevated, intimate, and inspirational, this space invites pause. Indulgence continues behind closed doors. In the bathroom, luxury becomes ritual. White marble flows from floor to ceiling, interrupted only by the warmth of gold fixtures. A vintage standalone tub waits beneath a mirror framed with evergreen. Steam blurs the window, where winter whispers outside. Soft candlelight and subtle holiday accents transform personal care into seasonal pampering. Beauty and comfort unite in a quiet symphony. The celebration continues outdoors. Step into the small Parisian courtyard, where charm greets before entry and lingers afterward. Cobblestones glisten beneath the snow, lanterns painting amber pathways in the dusk. Potted evergreens wrapped in delicate lights create sculptural silhouettes. This intimate space is the home's first breath, an introduction of peace and refined tradition. The rooftop reveals Paris at its most magical. Above the city, a terrace opens to a skyline of twinkling rooftops and the Eiffel Tower shimmering in the night. Wrought iron furniture is dressed in red cushions, inviting slow sips of wine in the cold air. Snow rests lightly on evergreen shrubs. Soft lights string overhead like stars within reach. This is where Paris feels personal, where celebration meets breathtaking view. Creativity finds its festive corner. Refinement continues in the home office, a sanctuary of productivity shaped by Parisian artistry. Emerald walls host golden frames and winter florals. A wooden desk aligns perfectly with a window overlooking the city, allowing inspiration to flow with every glance outward. Warm light bathes polished surfaces, turning work into a refined pleasure. We explore the hidden garden of serenity. Behind the apartment lies a private oasis. Stone walls shelter a cozy gathering space illuminated by lanterns and candles. Blankets in rich red fabrics warm wrought iron seating beneath softly falling snow. It is a place for late-night whispers and shared joy, a winter garden that feels secret, magical, and deeply personal. This Parisian home proves that luxury is not loud but intentional, woven into every material, every light, every holiday moment. It invites us to celebrate tradition while embracing modern sophistication. Here, Christmas becomes a living design, elegant, warm, and unforgettable. Thank you for joining this magical tour. Until the next dream home adventure, Joyeux Noël.